Good morning, students. I am Megha Agarwal, your computer teacher from Nalanda Public School. Today I am giving you a smart class presentation that is based on lesson number 1, uses of computer. Why I am giving this video to you all? Because I think that visual, when you watch something, it is in your memory for longer time. Okay, so that is why I am sharing this video with you all, so that you can watch this video and recall chapter number 1, that is uses of computer. In this chapter we have learned about the uses of computer at different places, and then in the same video we're going to learn about the types of computer, different types of computer. So watch this video carefully. It is based on your chapter number 1. This will help you in recalling the chapter as you are having your exams. Okay, so it will be helpful for you. So watch this video carefully.
Hi Aisha, what are you doing?
Hello Jia, I am working on the computer.
Oh good. I have heard that computer is a very useful machine. Can you tell me what is the purpose of the computer? How is it useful to us?
Sure Jia. Computers are used by many people to do different types of work. You may already know that computers at home are used to play games, listen to music, draw or color pictures, to type letters and send messages. We can also use computers to track how much money we spend in a month or to calculate difficult problems. Besides being used for all these activities, computers are used in every field of work as well.
What are those, Aisha?
Let me explain to you in detail. Computers in banks are used to transfer money, to access account information, and also to withdraw the money from automated teller machine, commonly known as ATMs.
Okay, so computers are used in banks for money transaction. Money transaction means money का withdrawal, money को पेमेंट के लिए आप क्या यूज़ करते हो? कंप्यूटर्स यूज़ करते हो. जनरली हम ATMs जाते हैं, ATM में जाके हम क्या करते हैं? कैश विड्रॉल करते हैं. सो ATMs, so computers are used at banks for making transaction or for making the record of the customers, and in banks computers are used, and we generally use ATMs to withdraw cash.
In hospitals, computers are used to treat patients, to help in operations, and to keep records of all the patients.
Okay, now if we talk about the hospitals, then computers are also there. The computers are used in hospitals also to keep the record of the patients, which patient is admitted at which date, and what are the reports of that patient, what is the disease diagnosed. So all these records are maintained using computers in hospitals.
In offices, computers are used to type letters and other documents and print them as well. Computers are used to keep accounts. They are also used to send and receive messages through email, also known as electronic mail.
Okay, if we talk about offices, then computers are used to write the letters, send and receive emails and messages, keeping the files, records of the the work done in the offices, and typing of circulars, notice, etc. All these things are done using a computer.
In shops, computers are used to prepare bills and to keep record of goods which are stored and the goods which are sold.
Okay, we talk about the shops. There also computers are used, maintaining the list of the items in the stock. Okay, what are the items available in the shop, and what are the items that they need to purchase it. Okay, then making the bills of the customers, of their purchased items. So all these things are done in shops using computers.
Computers are used in schools to teach students, to prepare report cards, and to maintain record of fees. Computers are used in library for research and keeping record of books.
Okay, now coming to schools, computers are used for teaching the students. बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए computers use किया जाता है. As we are showing you the smart class, in the same manner we also used to show you the smart class in schools also, using the smart board. Now next, if we talk about projectors, all these things are used in schools. Generally, you remember that in AV room we used to go. There are some sessions organized, so we used to go there. We used to go in AV room. There we have projectors. How projectors are operated? Using a computer. Keeping the record of the students का record maintain करना, कितने students कितनी क्लास में कितने students हैं, उनके नाम क्या है, उनके एड्रेस क्या है, उनके कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स, फिर उनकी रिजल्ट्स क्रिएट करना. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर डन यूजिंग computers in schools. And in library also, keeping the record of the books, that which book is there in the library, which is not available in the library, which book is already issued. So all these records are maintained using computers.
Computers are used at airports and railway stations to reserve tickets, to see the arrival and departure status of planes and trains, and to monitor and control the traffic movement of planes and trains.
Now talking about railway stations and airport, there also computers are used for booking and the cancellations of the tickets. Tickets की booking और cancellations के लिए हम क्या use करते हैं? Computers use किए जाते हैं railway stations या airport पे. हम trace भी करते हैं. हम means generally, I mean to say that in railway stations and airports, ट्रेन की ट्रैकिंग भी की जाती है. दैट वेयर इज़ द ट्रेन करेंटली, लोकेशन ट्रेस की जाती है. वेयर इज़ द ट्रेन, when it will be departed, how much delayed is train. So all these things are tracked using computers in airports or railways.
Computers are used to forecast weather. They are also used to record and count votes during elections.
Okay, in elections, during elections also we use computers for counting of the votes. Then weather forecasting is done using computer. Okay, so all these things are performed using computers.
Architects make building designs on computers. Animations are made using computers. Machines used in industries are also designed on computers.
Okay, so architecture generally used to design the जिसको हम बोलते हैं नक्शा डिज़ाइन करने के लिए, इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनिंग के लिए. सो ऑल दिस पर्पस के लिए घर बनाना है तो कितने रूम होंगे, कितना, इसका पूरा एक मैप बनाने के लिए, एक प्लॉट करने के लिए कंप्यूटर्स का यूज़ किया जाता है. एप्लीकेशंस होते हैं इनमें वेरियस अदर, जिसकी हेल्प से डिज़ाइनिंग की जाती है कंप्यूटर की. डिज़ाइनिंग की जाती है जो भी आप चीज़ को क्रिएट कर रहे हो. सपोज यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर अ बिल्डिंग, आपको एक मॉल बनाना चाहते हो, तो उस मॉल को बनाने के लिए आपको कैसे डिज़ाइन चाहिए, कहाँ पे पिलर चाहिए, कहाँ पे बीम चाहिए, कितने रूम्स होंगे, क्या फ्लोर होगा. तो ये सारी चीज़ों के लिए भी हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, कंप्यूटर्स यूज़ करते हैं फॉर डिज़ाइनिंग पर्पस.
Computers are used in police department for maintaining criminal records and for matching fingerprints.
Okay, now if we talk about police stations.
Oh, I didn't know computers are so useful. Thanks, Aisha, for this information.
Okay, so if we talk about police stations, keeping the record of the criminals, tracking the crime, keeping the record of the criminal cases. So हर जगह if we talk about places, then n number of places are there where computers are used. अब मॉल्स जाते हैं. ओके, सो व्हेन यू यूज टू गो टू गेम जोन, वहाँ आपने देखा होगा गेम जोन में भी
Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.
So computers are used in banks, hospitals, in offices, in shops, in schools, in airport, railway stations, in government affairs, in designing, in police departments, and in malls, and in shops. So all these are the places where computers are generally used. You might have seen other places also where computers are used. You can mention that also. Okay, so this is about the uses of computer. Next I'm showing you the types of computer.
Hi Pasha, where are you going?
Oh, hello Aisha. I'm going out to buy some color pencils and a drawing book to practice drawing.
Why don't you practice drawing on the computer?
Really? Is it possible on the computer?
Yes, you can practice drawing on the computer.
Wow, interesting. Can you tell me more about the computer?
Yes, sure, Pasha. A computer is an electronic machine that is designed to do multiple tasks at the same time without making any mistakes.
Does a computer ever get tired?
No, Pasha. A computer is a machine. It never gets tired or bored like human beings.
Oh, that's why the computer is said to be a unique machine. Right, Aisha?
Yes, Pasha. The computer is very fast and accurate and can do many tasks at the same time. That's why it is called as a special machine.
Tell me, what all does a computer do for us?
We can draw, play games, watch movies, and so on.
Wow, so many things. Does that mean a computer is superior to human beings?
No, Pasha. A computer is not superior to us because it's a machine. It is not able to make decisions on its own.
Tell me more about the differences between computers and human beings.
Humans can take their own decisions using their brain, but the computer cannot make decisions on its own. Human beings need food to work, while computers need electricity to work. A human being gets tired and needs rest after work, while a computer never gets tired and can work longer. A human being is slow in calculating numbers, but a computer calculates much faster.
Thank you, Aisha. Now I know the differences between a human being and a computer. I have seen that our computers in school are large and kept on tables. But I have seen my father using a small computer which he puts on his lap. He also carries it to office.
Yes, Pasha. Computers are of different types such as desktop computers, laptop computers, and palm-top computers. This computer is called desktop computer. This computer is not portable, which means they cannot be carried along easily. These are mostly used in offices and schools. The computer that your father uses is a laptop. It looks like a small briefcase and it can be carried easily. You know, Pasha, nowadays there are even more advanced models of laptops called notebooks. These are just like laptops but are lighter in weight. Pasha, there are even smaller computers which can fit into your palm. These are called palm-top computers. It can be placed inside your pocket.
Thank you, Aisha. Now I know all about computers.
Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.
Okay, here types of computers are given as desktop computer, laptop computer, and palm-top computer. But if we talk about your book, Then in your book, computers are categorized into 4 categories. Okay, first is the here is it. Okay, computers are categorized into 4 categories. First is the desktop computer. Second is the laptop computer, जो कि आप you can put these computers into your lap, means आप अपनी गोद में रख के इन पे काम कर सकते हैं. थर्ड इज़ दी टैबलेट्स. आपके लैपटॉप से छोटे होते हैं एंड यू कैन कीप द टैबलेट्स इन योर हैंड्स. आप अपने इसमें टच स्क्रीन होता है, आप फिंगरप्रिंट अपने फिंगर्स को यूज़ करके इस पे वर्क कर सकते हैं. एंड दे आर ऑल्सो हैविंग ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड फॉर टाइपिंग. And next is the smartphone. Smartphone are also a type of computer. Nowadays you can see that जो काम हम लगभग अपने कंप्यूटर से करते हैं, the same work we can do in the smartphones only. Okay, so these are the types of computer. These are the types of computer. पहला आपका डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर जो होता है, वी टॉक अबाउट डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर. डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर्स कैसे होते हैं? बड़े होते हैं साइज़ में, जो हमारे लैब्स में होते हैं कंप्यूटर, जिनमें डिफरेंट पार्ट्स होते हैं कंप्यूटर में, जो कि एक कंप्यूटर को कंप्राइज करके मतलब डिफरेंट पार्ट्स को कंप्राइज करके एक कंप्यूटर बनता है. उसमें अलग अलग पार्ट्स होते हैं, कीबोर्ड होता है, माउस होता है, CPU होता है. तो दैट इज़ योर डेस्कटॉप कंप्यूटर. उसके लिए आपको यू नीड अ सेपरेट प्लेस, आपको एक सेपरेट टेबल डेस्क चाहिए होता है उस पर काम करने के लिए, उसको रखने के लिए, प्लेस करने के लिए. बट इफ़ वी विल टॉक अबाउट दी लैपटॉप्स, अगर हम लैपटॉप्स की बात करें, बट इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट लैपटॉप्स, तो लैपटॉप्स में क्या होता है? लैपटॉप्स आर स्मॉल इन साइज. लैपटॉप्स जनरली कैसे होते हैं? उनमें कीबोर्ड अटैच होता है. ओके, कीबोर्ड आपका अटैच होता है, माउस अटैच होता है. इस तरीके का आप इमेज देख सकते हैं आपकी बुक में, पेज नंबर 7 में. लैपटॉप स्मॉल साइज़ होते हैं, लाइट इन वेट होते हैं एंड कैन बी कैरिड ईजीली. आप इसको ईजीली कैरी करके कहीं भी लेके जा सकते हैं एंड इसको आप कहीं भी बैठ के यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दे आर पोर्टेबल एंड स्मॉल इन साइज. बट नेक्स्ट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट But when we were talking about desktop computers, you cannot easily carry desktop computers anywhere. You have to sit on the place where the computer is placed. Okay, next is tablet. Tablet is a type of laptop only. It is also a type of laptop. They are more smaller than a laptop. Okay, टैब्स आपने देखे होंगे, बहुत से लोगों के पास टैब्स होते हैं. टैबलेट्स को टैब्स भी बोला जाता है. दे आर लार्जर देन अ मोबाइल फ़ोन बट दे आर स्मॉलर देन अ लैपटॉप. आपने इसमें टच स्क्रीन फंक्शन होता है. आप यू यूज़ योर फिंगर टू परफॉर्म द एक्शन एंड ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड भी अवेलेबल होता है. नेक्स्ट इफ वी टॉक अबाउट स्मार्टफोन. स्मार्टफोन इज़ ऑल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ कंप्यूटर एंड नाउअडेज इट हैज़ बिकम अ नेसेसिटी फॉर एवरीवन. Okay, so if we talk about smartphones, using the smartphones you can make voice and video calls, browse the internet, send and receive emails, you can play games, you can see different type of documents, you can watch movies. So everything you can do using a mobile phone that you do using your desktop computers. Okay, so these 4 categories are given in your book. Generally, if we talk about tablets and smartphone, these comes in the category of a palm top. Why? Because you can carry them in your palm. Using your palms, you can easily handle these devices. So these comes in the category of palm top. Okay, so this is all about chapter number 1. That is, what was chapter number 1? That is uses of computer. In this video we have seen uses of computer at different places and types of computer. So recall this video. Thank you.